Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time checking out HWID Spoofer, then this video is for you. Today I'll be showing you everything you need to know from where to get it to how to install it and how to get it up and running in just a few minutes. One thing that makes HWID stand out is how simple the whole process is. It also has an active community where users regularly share their experiences. So if you want to see feedback before getting started, you can always visit the official Discord server. The first step is to head over to the official HWID website. Open the products section, choose the permanent spoofer, select the subscription that suits you best, and complete your purchase. After that, you'll receive an email with your loader download link and your license key. Once everything is downloaded, open the loader and activate your license if prompted. Then go to the permanent spoofer section, select the supported game, and click start. The setup only takes a short time to complete. When the process finishes, restart your PC before opening your game. If you run into any problems or have questions, the HWID support team is available on Discord and can help you out. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, I'll see you in the next video.